I'm sure you've heard the news. Pluto's no longer a planet. This decision was made by the International Astronomical Union in 2006, and it caused quite a stir in the scientific community and among the general public. Many people were upset by the reclassification, feeling a sense of nostalgia for the 9-planet solar system they grew up learning about. But that doesn't mean it isn't fascinating. In fact, Pluto is one of the most intriguing objects in our solar system. Its unique characteristics and mysterious nature continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. First up, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. This reclassification was based on new criteria for what constitutes a planet. According to the IAU, a planet must orbit the Sun, be spherical in shape, and have cleared its orbit of other debris. Pluto meets the first two criteria, but not the third, as it shares its orbit with other objects in the Kuiper Belt. After being considered the 9th planet for 76 years. Discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto was initially celebrated as the newest addition to our solar system. Its discovery was a monumental achievement in astronomy, and it held a special place in the hearts of many. It's super far from the Sun, about 5.9 billion kilometers away. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 39 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. This vast distance means that Pluto exists in a region of space that is incredibly cold and dark. That's so far. Sunlight takes 5.5 hours to get there. Imagine that. Light, which travels at an astonishing speed of 299,792 kilometers per second, takes over 5 hours to reach Pluto. This delay in sunlight means that Pluto experiences very dim daylight compared to what we have on Earth. And get this, a year on Pluto is 248 Earth years. This means that if you were born on Pluto, you wouldn't celebrate your first birthday until you were 248 Earth years old. This lengthy orbit is due to Pluto's great distance from the Sun and its elliptical orbit, which takes it on a long journey around our star. Sometimes it's even closer to the Sun than Neptune. Due to its elliptical orbit, there are periods when Pluto's path brings it inside the orbit of Neptune, making it the 8th planet from the Sun for a short time. This unusual orbital pattern adds to Pluto's unique characteristics. Pluto's surface is all icy, mostly nitrogen ice with some methane and carbon monoxide. This icy composition gives Pluto its distinctive appearance and contributes to its reflective properties. The surface is a complex and dynamic environment with regions of varying brightness and color. It's super reflective and bright. In fact, Pluto's surface reflects about 60% of the sunlight that hits it, making it one of the most reflective bodies in the solar system. This high reflectivity is due to the fresh ice that covers much of its surface. It's got a very thin atmosphere made of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere is tenuous and extends far out into space, creating a thin haze around the dwarf planet. Despite its thinness, the atmosphere plays a crucial role in Pluto's weather and surface conditions. The atmosphere expands and contracts depending on its distance from the Sun. When Pluto is closer to the Sun, the increased warmth causes the ices on its surface to sublimate or turn directly into gas, thickening the atmosphere. Conversely, when Pluto moves farther from the Sun, the atmosphere freezes and falls back to the surface as snow. One of the coolest features? Pluto has a heart-shaped region on its surface known as Tombaugh Regio. This iconic feature is named after Clyde Tombaugh, the astronomer who discovered Pluto. The heart shape is a large, bright area of nitrogen ice that stands out against the darker regions of the planet. The heart-shaped Tombaugh Regio on its surface. This region is not only visually striking but also scientifically significant. It provides clues about Pluto's geological history and the processes that have shaped its surface over time. Made of nitrogen and methane ice, Pluto's got 5 moons. These moons vary in size and characteristics, each adding to the complexity of the Pluto system. The largest of these moons is Charon, which is so large that it forms a binary system with Pluto. Charon is the biggest, almost half its size, making it a significant companion to Pluto. The two bodies are gravitationally locked, meaning they always show the same face to each other as they orbit a common center of gravity. And then there's Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. These smaller moons have irregular shapes and chaotic orbits, influenced by the gravitational interactions between Pluto and Charon. Each moon has its own unique characteristics and contributes to the dynamic nature of the Pluto system. In fact, Pluto and Charon are so close in size They orbit a common center of gravity outside Pluto. This point, known as the barycenter, lies in the space between the two bodies, making their relationship more like a double planet than a planet and its moon, making them a binary system. This unique arrangement is rare in our solar system and highlights the special nature of Pluto and Charon's relationship. Their mutual orbit creates interesting dynamics and influences the behavior of the entire Pluto system. It's freezing out there, with temperatures around minus 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brr! These extreme temperatures are due to Pluto's great distance from the Sun and its location in the outer reaches of the solar system. The cold environment means that most of the gases we find as vapors on Earth are frozen solid on Pluto. Lastly, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft gave us our first close-up look in 2015. This historic mission provided unprecedented details about Pluto's surface, atmosphere and moons, revolutionizing our understanding of this distant world. Showing off Pluto's complex geology and diverse landscapes, the images and data sent back by New Horizons revealed a world with mountains, plains, and even potential cryovolcanoes, showcasing the dynamic and varied nature of Pluto's surface. So, next time someone says Pluto isn't special, you've got the facts to prove them wrong. Pluto may no longer be classified as a planet, but its unique characteristics and the mysteries it holds make it a fascinating object of study. From its icy surface to its complex system of moons, Pluto continues to captivate our imaginations and expand our understanding of the solar system. Keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders, and Pluto is just one of the many incredible objects that remind us of the vastness and beauty of space. Whether you're an amateur stargazer or a professional astronomer, there's always something new to discover. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious about the cosmos.